All right, guys, can you hear me? I want to give you guys a sauce. So, this is how my song Stay Woke blew up. And this might really help out, another artist. So I don't want to keep all the sauce to myself. I'm quick to give anybody tutorials, tips. I want you guys to know everything you can, everything that I know, so that you can, we can go back and forth, expand with our knowledge. But, my song Stay Woke here. All right, if you see, if I can move my head a little. The song Stay Woke. So here's how the story goes. All right. I'm listening to beats going through, and I love Childish Gambino's song Redbone. So I'm just browsing through beats, and I hear this sampled song with the hook already on it, the Stay Woke. I was like, wow, this is the most fire beat I've ever heard in my life. So I instantly fell in love with it. I recorded it. I put somebody on it. I think my baby mama's on it, and the song blew up. But it wasn't because, it's an alright song. As far as my category goes, it's like a mid-range song. But what I got mentally out of this was a strategy that you guys, alright, listen to me. This strategy right here will put you on. Notice Childish Gambino, the hook to his song was Stay Woke, but he chose to name his song Redbone, which was a mistake, because when I uploaded my track, hit Spotify, hit Apple, and guess what people are searching for? What gets stuck in your head? The hook. So they're like, Stay Woke. Okay, look for that Stay Woke song. When they typed in Stay Woke, guess whose song showed up? Yes, sir, your boys. That's why this sauce is so important, man. That level of thinking that humans are searching for this led me to be able to name songs better. It really helped out my business. So let me give you a look here. This is Stay Woke. See where all these streams are coming from? And I can make a tutorial, like if I can't really explain it, that well in this video, I can make a tutorial, a longer tutorial for you guys if you request it enough. But check this out. Since 2015. Look at that. Listeners, and that was off that song projecting the rest of my songs. As you can see, exactly when this song dropped, you can see the spike right here, and that advertised the rest of my songs, and that helped me to make a pretty decent amount of money. I'm not complaining at all. I made several $1,000s off of that. So as you can see, most of my songs are actually saved to their playlist. So it's not like people popping in. It's not like Spotify put me on. The algorithm's not really putting me on. They used to. That's where it came from at first. The algorithmic playlist. Discover Weekly with that Stay Woke. And of course, people were searching for it. The keyword was already popping. And that led to this happening. So it's about half and half, male, female. These are who my listeners also like. This is the top countries, the last 30 days or 28 days. So as you can see, it is popping. But that's the strategy, man. I don't want to get you guys, too far into this, but be mindful of what you name your songs, and be mindful of your hook. What's the first thing that comes to people's mind when they hear it? Ask your friends this. I know it might hurt, an opinion, if it's not good, can be a hurtful thing to some people, but to me, that information is gold. That information can actually make you famous. That information, what first pops into people's head, that's who you need to market to. That's what you need to name your songs about. And that'll be it for this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below about what you want to see next. And I'll be back with you tomorrow. Y'all know how it is. Peace.